What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I am back with another Stock Talk video. For today's Stock Talk video, we're going to be talking about Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. Now, Workhorse has been talked about a lot in the news recently, and we're going to break down what happened here, why it dropped so badly right here, and what that means for the future of the company. And if you haven't already, follow me on my TikTok at Lock Finance, as well as join my completely free Discord where I'll teach you how to trade in the stock market. Both of those links will be down in the description below. Okay, so we're looking at the past 20 days of Workhorse. You can see we have previous highs of $43, but lows at $12.50. Now, from here to around here, we were just downtrending because of the overall market. It was an overall market pullback, as we know, so the overall stock has been pulled back as well to the low to mid 30s. Now, what happened here was that we got some news about the USPS contract. The United States Postal Service has been in talks with a bunch of different electric vehicle car/truck makers, Workhorse being one of them, as a possible agreement to do a 10-year deal. But as you can see here, the bad news is Workhorse was not chosen to do this deal, but instead a company called Oshkosh was received the 10-year contract. They are going to be in charge of manufacturing the new generation of U.S. postal delivery vehicles. And now, we were talking about Workhorse for a while as being the company that was going to be possibly getting this contract, but obviously, as you can see here, they did not receive it. We dropped from $28 all the way down to $12.50. But if we take a little closer look into this, you can see that I drew two lines of support and resistance right here. We've been trading inside this channel for a little while. I'm looking for us to break out soon. And there is an upcoming catalyst that we want to talk about in a second that is going to help us possibly get out of this channel and break up to higher highs and get to the upward direction. But first, we're going to talk about quickly on earnings. You can see here that earnings came out, but it really didn't do a whole lot to the stock. We dropped a little bit this morning, but before catching this little support line that I have, we bounced back up, and now we're actually trading towards the upper side of the resistance line. Now, I didn't want to get too much into earnings, but I did see that they increased their sales from $3,000 a year ago to now $650,000, which was a big jump, but it wasn't good enough because they missed the analyst estimates of $1.32 million. So Workhorse, it did take a little bit of a hit because of that and some other news that came out with it, but it wasn't anything major. It wasn't like it kept on plummeting down to single digits. No, we're still trading fairly high because people saw this as another buying opportunity down at this lower level, and we still have so much upside potential. This right here is what we call an overreaction. It was a huge overreaction that is going to have a correction soon. Looks like we're finding a bottom. It's not 100% sure yet because we haven't had signs of a reversal, and I think once we break into the channel, we can get back into that upward potential, start a reversal, and that overreaction will be corrected. What is going to be happening this week that's a big catalyst? Well, we just got news that on this Wednesday, March 3rd, Workhorse is going to be talking with USPS, United States Postal Service, about how they lost the contract. Now, this meeting is going to be happening with some of the officials at the post office on Wednesday, and they're going to be discussing the decision and why they didn't get the contract. I think that this is actually a good catalyst for Workhorse, as they'll get the real reason as to why this didn't go through and what's going to be happening with the future of the company. Maybe they'll get some more contracts. Maybe they'll figure out some other companies to do contracts with. I'm not 100% sure on how this is going to go for the stock because, like I said, we've been trading fairly flat for the past couple days, but I think if we can get some hype and we can get some news that comes out about this on Wednesday, this stock definitely will move up to the upside. But like I said, we've been trading this channel for a little while now, and I think we got to break out of this channel before we get anywhere. Now, once we break out of this channel to the upside, we need some news. We need some momentum to keep people interested in this because this stock is just kind of trading flat right now because there's not a lot going for it. It's still an electric vehicle maker. The sector is kind of cooled off a little bit, so it doesn't have the overall sector hype. It needs more news, and I think that this Wednesday with the news, with the meeting with the United States Postal Service is going to be big news for Workhorse. So definitely keep watching this stock. Put this stock on your watch list for some run up after hours tonight, including during the day tomorrow, and watch for lots of volatility during the day on Wednesday, as if any news comes out at all, this stock is going to be going crazy. It could definitely get that volatility, as we see volatility spikes happen pretty often with this stock. So, you know what? Let's keep this on our watch list for sure. Workhorse is definitely undervalued right now, and I see a lot more upside potential with this stock, but we need news and catalysts, and we need confirmation of reversal before we jump into it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe for more content, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.